Well, today I'm at a giant gas station. I'm going to show you how I put gas for free over here. My wife actually do it. You know, she buys stuff and that, and then you get store credit or something like that for the gas. So I'm going to put the gas for free. 25 gallon. This is a 35 gallon truck. So let's see. Come over here. As you can see, the regular is $3.55, that's $3.85, and that's $4.05. I got two gas cap. One's actually locked with a key. Hold on. Cause you never know, somebody might put sugar in your gas tank. So, let's see. First thing I'm gonna do is scan my card. Okay. A moment, please. Some penny cash. Yes. Insert card. Insert my credit card. Oh, hold on. Remove chips. Let's cut back. Now all I need to do is remove nozzle. As you can see, that's 00 with regular plus or premium, $0. Now I can go to like 87. Check that out. Look at that. The dollar never go up. Oh, put like 25 gallon. Oh, man. Problem is keep on popping on me. $3.5 gallon. Still $0. My family, we do everything. We save money here. All you need to do is at Giants, all you need to do is buy food, and you get like I think 10 cents a gallon off, and then 20 cents a gallon off, and eventually it add up to like $3.55 or $4 per gallon off. But you just save. I get way more than $4 a gallon off. So I fill up this time. This doesn't fill my tank. They usually before they give you 30 gallon, all right, which is pretty decent. It just fill up my truck right here, and then they reduce it to 25 gallon, which sucks. Now to keep my tank, because it was at 30 gallon, I can actually get to close to empty and to fill up the truck. And 25 gallon, I actually have at least a quarter of a tank left in my tank in order for me before I can start filling it up. It's almost, see, now at least I get 25 gallons. It's not completely filled up, but that would do it. 25 gallons. First I had a quarter tank. You see how much I got now for 25 gallons. I get close to full, you know. That's not full, completely full, but I get close to full, almost full, you know, for 25 gallons. Which, you know, it go past the F a little for the whole 35 gallons to fill up. Right. Yeah, that's what I get, you know. And usually, that's the thing about my truck. It only lasts me a week. So that's why I can't. My wife don't get that much credit. Don't get that much amount per each time I need to fill it up, because it only lasts me a week. And thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe.